Click on the link below to get price. The Bose Wave Music System 3 with multi-CD changer in graphite gray is a remarkable blend of sleek design and superior sound quality that transforms any room into an immersive audio experience. Upon unboxing, the first thing that stands out is its elegant appearance. The system has a compact footprint, making it easy to integrate into various spaces without being obtrusive. The graphite gray finish exudes sophistication, adding a modern touch to your decor. Setting up the music system is a breeze. The intuitive controls are user-friendly, allowing even those less savvy with technology to operate it with ease. The inclusion of a multi-CD changer is a significant advantage, accommodating up to 5 CDs, which means you can curate a listening experience without the hassle of frequently swapping discs. The sound quality is where the Bose Wave system truly shines. It delivers rich, deep bass and crystal-clear highs that envelop the room, making it perfect for all music genres. The audio is balanced and powerful, emulating a concert-like experience without distortion, even at higher volumes. The system also supports AM/FM radio, allowing you to enjoy your favorite stations effortlessly. The built-in alarm clock is a practical addition, making it suitable for both casual listening and functional use in bedrooms. One notable aspect of the renewed model is that it performs like new, offering substantial savings without compromising on quality. While it may be an investment, the longevity and performance of the Bose Wave Music System 3 justify the price tag. The features are designed for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their music experience. In conclusion, this product is a worthy addition for anyone seeking a compact, stylish, and high-performance music system that does justice to their favorite tunes. The Bose Wave Music System 3 stands out as a testament to the brand's commitment to audio excellence.